Hey guys, I have a tutorial for you over the Morse coated salmon bar. I have the day glow and navy blue. I have 8 feet of day glow and 9 feet of navy blue. I've done my cow's hitches on each side and the cow's hitches at the top. I will show you guys, I'll make a tutorial for you guys on how to do that and later. Alright, so, and I'm using a whistle buckle as well. I just got these when I got my teal and black paracord last Monday. Alright, so to start this weave, we're going to take the right cord and we're going to make a loop just like that. Alright, so we have a loop, and we're going to take the left strand, go down through this loop right here, if you guys can see that. And go down through this right here and up through the middle, or well, I guess you could do that all in one move. You just bring this, you go underneath this strand right here, down through this little circle or triangle type deal, and right under this where all the strands meet an H right here, and then you're gonna go through this loop right here just like that, and you're gonna cinch that up. Alright, so now you're just going to keep repeating that process, except it's going to be opposite side. Make a loop on the left right here. You're going to take this cord and go under like this, through that little circle, pull it all the way through here. Do that circle, up under this where it meets at an H, pull that all the way through, and down and through this loop right here. Oops, hit my pencil cup over there with the beads in it, and I'm going to tighten this up. Oops, lost focus there, sorry about that, my hand got in the way. So yeah, this is the weave, it's really easy. Found this bracelet on Pinterest, just like this last video over this bracelet I made for you guys. So yeah, you just keep repeating that process. Take the right, make a loop, just like this, and take this and go under this little circle, triangle type deal. And you're gonna go under this middle strand and through that loop. Oops, a little twisted there. Alright, and you just tighten it up. So yeah, it's a really easy weave, just like that last video I made for you guys. It was really easy. show you this last pass here, and I'll cut away. So you're gonna make sure this this color right here, this one, you're gonna make sure you tighten each little knob up. That way, it looks nice and even throughout the whole bracelet there. I really wish there was an easier way of doing that. And bring it under the middle strand and through that loop. Twisting going on. Alright, so I'm going to finish this up for you guys, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Alright guys, so I'm at the end of the bracelet here, and I took the ends and fitted them through the cow's hitch right here. I just thought that would make it bracelet look nicer for the finish, and also because if I were to cut and singe right there, and it might not lock and hold as well as it would if I done this right here, what I'm doing with going through the cow's hitch. I did it with the other side too, went through that way. Alright, so we're going to cut and singe the ends off of these. So yeah, this bracelet, it's pretty easy. Smoothing tool here. I'm gonna flatten it down nice and good. Flip this around. So on this, I'm using a whistle buckle, like I said before. I don't know if you guys can see that well or not. Sorry if you can't. I just picked them up at Hobby Lobby when I got my other 2 sets of 100 feet paracord, and I got some glow in the dark buckles, which I think I have a couple ideas for bracelets I want to make for this. Get some glow in the dark cord here in a couple weeks. Maybe make a bracelet with that. Alright, there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.